What's up guys? I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to Mtb5naa Kitchen. Today we'll be making a very authentic Egyptian dish called hammam kadab. I'll tell you how to pronounce it later, but before we head to the video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can receive all our new videos on time. We'll start off by preparing our chicken legs. First off, we'll remove all the bones, but we'll make sure the skin is intact because that we're going to use to fold it over wet. And then we're going to marinate it with 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then we'll add the juice of an onion to them. I'm going to mix them real well and leave it until we prepare our rice, which is the stuffing that we're going to use to stuff the chicken legs with. For the stuffing we'll need rice, it can be whatever type you prefer, 1 medium onion chopped finely, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Also we'll need bay leaves and cardamom. First off, we'll lightly fry the onion in the butter, then we'll add the bay leaves and the cardamom to them, and we'll give them a light fry just to release the taste and give a nice smell. Then we'll add the rice, then our spices. Gonna mix it well, and we're gonna add the hot water to them. We're gonna leave it on high heat for about 10 minutes until it's half cooked. This was our rice after 10 minutes. We'll take some for the stuffing and I'm gonna put it again on low heat till it's fully cooked. To make the chicken stock, we'll need 1 large carrot, 2 sticks of celery, 1 medium onion, salt, pepper, bay leaves, and cardamom. We'll chop the vegetables as you can see in the photo. We're gonna add our vegetables to our boiling water. Then we're gonna add in our spices. Give it a little mix and we're gonna leave it on high heat till we prepare the chicken legs. Now we're gonna start stuffing the chicken legs with rice. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of rice, but don't add too much because you don't want the rice to burst out. Gonna start by folding the skin over itself, as you can see in the video. Now you can leave the legs like this, or you can close it off using toothpicks or thread, as you can see in the video. I used thread just to show you how you can do it using it. Now we're gonna roll the foil paper over the chicken very firmly and tightly so it stays in shape and the rice doesn't come out. We're gonna close the sides as you can see. Now we're gonna place it in our stock for 10 minutes on high heat and 30 minutes on medium heat until it's fully cooked. Once time is up, we're gonna take it out from the foil and we're gonna place it in the oven to take a crispy brown color or golden color. This was the final look of our dish today. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like and share the video amongst your friends. Thank you.